Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making a sturdy batter that will hold up as dressing. First, whisk 2 eggs with 5 cups milk and 1/4 cup melted butter so the fat emulsifies and adds moisture. Once combined, stir in 2 cups cornmeal and 1 tablespoon sugar for balance. This sugar helps color and browning. Make sure to add 1 teaspoon salt now for seasoning throughout. Pour into a greased 9x13 pan or hot cast iron skillet and place in the preheated 375 degrees oven to bake until set. Once the cornbread is baked, you need to control moisture and texture for dressing. Let it cool about 15 minutes so it firms up. This prevents gummy stuffing. Then crumble into coarse pieces rather than fine crumbs, because larger pieces give structure and pockets that soak up gravy. If the cornbread feels too moist, toast the crumbled pieces briefly in a skillet or oven. This reduces water content and creates a nutty, roasted flavor that deepens the final dish. Stir occasionally while toasting to prevent burning. You now combine components and finish the dressing. Gently fold crumbled cornbread with sautéed onions, celery, and herbs so you keep texture. Add 2 to 3 cups warm chicken or vegetable broth gradually until the mixture feels moist but not soupy. Transfer into a buttered baking dish and smooth the top. Bake at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes so the exterior crisps and the interior remains tender. If it comes out soggy, uncover and bake longer to evaporate excess moisture. If dry,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.